Alright, so I'm back at cleaning up this snake skin. I'm just cutting this off to try and get a straight line. I know I keep losing inches off of this thing, but I don't care. I'm not worried about it for that. Oh, hang on one second, guys. Let me grab the cardboard that I need to put under this so I'm not tearing up the skin on the back of that. If y'all have watched any of my live streams, you know I'm never organized and never prepared. But that's okay. So I don't really have like a round scraper. So I'm kind of trying to use this piece of plastic lid. It's not super effective. So we're going to be trying a couple things. I've not done this before, so just figuring it out as we go. Mostly I'm trying to remove this membrane here. Oh, this is working much, much better. That goes all the way down the side and bottom of the snake. I want to get as much of that off as possible in order to try and preserve this thing. Alright, that's looking pretty good. That's coming out fairly clean. It doesn't have to be 100%. The less you have, though, the more it's going to preserve. I mean, I'm not saying any of this from experience. This is all from reading and watching videos, so don't quote me on this. Ooh, there we go. That was a nice piece of membrane. Look at that. I'm going to be preparing this by soaking it in glycerine and alcohol for approximately 2 to 3 weeks. You can also take this out after 2 or 3 days and re-scrape it and then resubmerge it, which I'm probably going to end up doing because I'm sure I'm not getting this super good. But just trying to do the best I can with this spoon. This seems to be the best thing so far. Let me just try this one also. Might have a sharper edge. Well, they both seem to work pretty good. This one I think might work a little bit better, but it's a little thinner. So a few more, take me a little bit more scraping, but I think this is working really good. Alright, we're getting a lot of that fat layer off there. You can see that. Alright, so I'm going to keep sliding this guy down. I'm going to go all the way down this side. And then we'll go back down the other side. This is taking a lot of the weight off of this guy here. And I'm going to be real careful up here where we have that wound.
Go.
Alright, so we've got it scraped off. I thought I was going to get one solid shed off of it just because the part where I happened to look first was really coming off like all the way, but it's not. But I do want to just show you how vibrant the colors are when they're fresh. It says that after the soaking process that these skins are going to just come off easier and it's just going to require more cleaning after we're done. But I really thought I was going to get the double trophy out of it and have like a skin slash or a skin and the skin, a shed skin and a full skin, but it's not going to come off. I'm going to try and take off as much as I can. Then I'm simply going to give this a good solid rinse and it will go into start soaking in the glycerin alcohol. I'll be taking it out in maybe a few days to double check the cleaning and see if any more of this is sliding off, but you can see how freaking beautiful the colors are when it comes off. So that's where I'm going to leave it for today. Thank you guys for watching this interesting little procedure of learning how to preserve a snake skin. And if you like what you see or you want to just see what happens or how this goes over the next few weeks, go ahead, subscribe, and check out my other garden content as well. And thank you guys for watching.